This is what high-performing Shopify product images look like. Clean, consistent, conversion-ready, a complete PDP set, perfect margins, matching lighting, video included. But this is where most Shopify stores start. Low resolution, crooked crops, no video, inconsistent visuals, inconsistent results, and conversions suffer, so you crop. Upscale, resize, retouch, generate lifestyle shots. Still no PDP video. One step at a time. Still manual. Meet AI Match from crop.photo. With AI Match, you don't manage edits. You describe the outcome. AI Match selects the right recipes, applies them automatically, and builds your complete PDP set in one go. Pose-aware AI automatically detects the model and the product. It creates clean, headless variants with precise framing and balanced margins. Every image stays consistent across your entire catalog. Start with background cleanup. Recompose with generative fill across every SKU. Then go further. Turn product only into on-model. Create lifestyle scenes from flat lays. Generate product and on-model videos. AI upscales low-res vendor images in seconds. Sharper details, consistent quality, ready for your PDP. Stop managing edits. Install crop.photo for Shopify. Automate your PDP production.